Hi everyone, it's Tish with Nap10 Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a holographic resin skull, and on this one we're actually going to be using mostly clear resin. So let's jump in and get started. I just went in with 4 ounces of clear resin. I'm using the liquid diamonds for this skull, and you can see I have a few bubbles right here. I just did 2 sprays of 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those bubbles, and that's going to be it for layer number 1. Super easy to make these. They do just take a few days because of the multiple layers. Here we are the next day. I'm going in with some holographic silver chunky glitter, and I'm just going to add about 2 ounces. I wanted to pour in the glitter enough until it reached the top of the teeth inside this mold. And you can get this mold from S RESIN. I'll link it down below. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box. I let this glitter layer dry. Here we are, day number 3, going in with 4 more ounces of clear. And I know my cup looks like it was kind of orange, but that was from a different pour. I reused my mixing cups over and over, so it was just clear resin. And I didn't have quite enough to fill up my mold, so I did go in with a little bit of light blue tinted resin I had mixed up for another project, sprayed it with a few sprays of 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles, and now I'm going to go in with my holographic insert silicone mold. You can get this off Etsy, and when you're using these ones that cover the entire bottom, you can get some air bubbles. See, like this? So what you want to do is kind of just start in the bottom, or sorry, start on the side and kind of lay it down from corner to corner, and that helps eliminate the bubbles. But honestly, you do have to just pick it up and reposition it over and over until you get those air bubbles out. And that was it. I just pulled off, or I let it dry overnight, pulled off that holographic insert silicone mold, and I just pulled the skull mold to the side, sprayed in a few sprays of a 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that's going to help me demold this. These skulls are kind of hard to demold. Real time, they take me about 5 minutes to demold. And that's because you want to be careful when you demold these. You don't want to damage the mold in any way. So I just take my time, work that isopropyl alcohol around the sides of the mold, and just loosen it around the perimeter until eventually that seal breaks and you'll be able to pop it out. And this one actually flew right out of the mold. And when you use the holographic insert silicone molds that cover the entire bottom, you are going to get a little bit of a lip of resin around the bottom of your piece. So I just go in with some nippers, trim those off, which is what I did off camera. Make sure you wear eye protection when you do that, because sometimes those little resin pieces go flying all over. Here's how it turned out, and don't click off the video yet. I wanted to show you how this looks on an LED lamp base. You can get these from S RESIN. It comes with a 2-pack, this clear one, which is amazing because you can really see that holographic effect on the clear base. Really, really cool. It just lights it up. I was so impressed with how this looked. And then it also comes with a color changing one as well. So here's how that looks. Really fun too. And you can use, all kinds of different creations on these lamp bases. I'll link them down below along with my coupon code. I just wanted to show you this really quickly. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. And I did mix up my resin off camera, but if you want to see a tutorial showing how I mix my resin, I'll link one of those below, along with all the materials I used in today's video and with any coupon codes that I have. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.